Drink.
Vibe.
Drink.
Vibe.
Drink.
Vibe.
Yeah, man, you know it already, you know. Don't know such Drink and Vice podcast is again.
Yeah,
Out there again with another episode.
I don't know.
We're going to talk about Bounty Killer getting back in visa.
Yeah,
My father, our France,
unruly fest.
coming up. Big bad unruly
DJ
fest.
by the big fat GLE.
Money I spent down. Money I spent,
Yeah, man.
Schoenberg. Plus, we will talk about Skillbang and about Silver Plaque where him get from over London, that too, you see.
Most definitely.
Big up Johnny Wonder too, you see me. Top production.
Yeah,
Crocodile Teeth.
yeah, man.
But, you know, watch the episode and hear what we talk about furthermore, you see me?
Tune in.
But, you don't know what drink, we have vibe. And we're going to talk about Bounty Killer first, you see me? Because Bounty Killer general, you know.
Yeah, man, we are
5
some
star,
man.
no?
We are some man, yeah.
They're
Most
back in
definitely,
London, you know.
most definitely,
How
man.
much ears now, you know.
Most definitely.
Bank book can lift weights, you know.
Yeah, everywhere.
Pound, you know.
See that?
No joke thing, man. Big up a general, man, you see me?
Yeah,
It's a good
man.
look. Because people want more for sure, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Right now, tell you, Killer, yeah, man. Him over there does a rebrand himself, you know. You know, with everything and
Young
him a
guy,
go
yeah.
and good. And tell us right now, Spice would have love to see him do a show in London. Yes, they should have fly come right now
He general.
in London just to come watch Killer perform.
Makes sense.
So you have, you know, yeah, man. It's
And
a good look. It's a great look for Killer.
And the things about, you know, for so long, you know, the audience change up now, you know. Because the younger youth, them boy, in the 70s, turn big man now.
Yeah, yeah.
80s, 90s, big man them turn now.
Yeah, man. Big
We
man,
have
man.
youth, we're born in the 2001.
Yeah.
You see me, 99. Just say about Bounty Killer right
Just-
yesterday.
yeah.
Never see Bounty Killer perform it and know them and see it for himself. If
Right,
he show
right.
them what he want to do.
Yeah, man, most definitely.
Regardless.
Because
When you look.
Killer himself, right, is a brand, you know.
True.
You understand? And, you know, from him go London and a rebrand himself, you know, so it's a good look. It's a great look. You know, and then now you have Sham with him,
Yeah.
Baby Sham. So, you know, you have to give big up to Baby Sham too
Yeah.
also, because he might do it with him from long time.
True.
You understand? So you have to,
90s.
right. You know, so you have to,
And then the lockdown Brixton Academy too, you know.
Yeah.
Another level, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, of them 10, man, you know. Yeah, bro. So, I don't know, Killer them around in England. So, class on foot, or Timberland, Chinchilla, something, but
Yeah.
the full black, dark glass. You see me?
and come to talk about the whole situation now. We want to talk about Wayne Marshall.
Oh,
And everybody has said,
yo,
oh, him get the OD award.
Uptown lifestyle people.
Right.
No joke thing.
But we have said,
Merrick
you
Marshall
know,
still know.
through
What
him,
artist you know?
everybody has said through him there with it.
Tommy Chin.
Right. That's why him get the award there.
Me say my
And the
show.
Beanie Man and
Killer.
Bunch shall get that long time.
True. But,
You understand?
But,
Because them do whole leap
but get the,
in the music.
but well on the
And
Marcus.
hold on, me no cut you.
Yeah,
Me no cut you.
yeah.
But let me talk.
Yeah, man.
Right. So, nothing did have a little thing and say, all right then, mine, them a mix up the whole OD award, mine, scars, what Wayne Marshall get award,
Yeah.
OD award for?
Yeah.
For sleeping in bed? Eh?
No?
Eh? And them say, if you bring back the OD award, because I really want to name them on it, I know Wayne Marshall.
You sure? I mix no, yo, you are going, man. You are going back. Yo, man, book that to me, you know. Man, book that to me, you know, brother.
Trouble with.
You are going. Alright, yo. You see, to me, not really know the requirements of who getting that art of distinction award. You
Talk to me about that one
see,
there.
you see, for me, still, Wayne Marshall still on.
Yeah, man, Wayne Marshall, man.
But
To the fullest.
I personally don't know the requirement to get that award. Because me, people say, oh, a showman, and my brother got a friend. Yeah, that's how me here. And then Tommy Chin, Miss Chin.
So what you say? Tammy Chin a thing that too? She a labor
I
too?
don't really know that me here. You see me? But regardless of fact still, I feel like say, Killer and Beanie Man, couple of artists even, gang on them artists there. You see me? Taurus Riley, me not promote Taurus Riley still, you see me, because of my roots and culture still. But if you look on the ear span what them do, what them contribute, I don't see why they get that award there.
Okay.
What being a bounty. I don't see outcomes. So I want to know what the requirement.
Alright.
What you have to do to get the award there.
Well, as I said before, you know,
Me not lie, no.
him do much for dancehall, you know, but as I said, Killer and Beanie Man,
Yeah.
them do
Me must a Killer bring him to the front.
more for dancehall.
Mr. Killer bring him
Because
to the
Killer, right now, make enough artists have a career.
Yeah.
Make enough artists live life.
Killer
They can
represent
eat
dancehall.
and
Below us.
drink good and build house and buy big vehicle.
Yeah.
You understand?
No joke thing.
Yeah.
But-
so everybody I say, why will Marshall do forget
We,
that?
we need to know what the requirement.
You understand?
Yeah, but I want to see what the requirement is, isn't it? You get me?
Mm-hmm.
If I forget a China girl or whatever, or if a part bro God or
Can
what.
be. Maybe forget the China girl and power with bro God.
Can be.
Yeah, because I remember say a OD, you know.
Yeah,
A
order
two-letter
of
word.
distinction.
Right. So it can be for power with bro,
Big
power
pan
with
in the
bro
brother.
God. And then no. Get the
But
China
still-
girl. So I guess maybe Beanie and Bunty need to forget to a China girl.
Maybe.
And power with bro God more.
Maybe.
More.
I will see what. No, me think be man apart. Bro, God. Bina.
Why Beanie man not a power
Bina
with
and
bro
Patrick
God?
Par, man.
Eh?
I'm saying Bina and Patrick Par, no.
Patrick?
Yeah, Roberts.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm saying a big PNP man in about. It's not a political affair, though.
Alright.
We not go the road this.
Tell the
But
truth.
Wayne Marshall, big up because we don't know where to forget the awards, but big up yourself, you, because you're a bad singer from in the early 90s, no, late 90s, my apology. In the 2000s, you see me?
Alright.
So, TJ, I show them say you are Benz out there, you know.
Tell the truth.
Money, brother.
Yeah, man. And we have to big up Sharon,
Saddle
bro.
agent.
Big up Sharon, bro.
Money, brother.
Straight, yeah.
Jiff, the man Jiff himself.
Him drift it,
Yeah,
him
man,
drift
him
it,
drift.
man. Him
Him
drift
drift.
it. When him a drive a Benz,
And-
if he drift it.
Without apology still, Byron, Messiah still, you know. Messiah size up there still, you know. Up top boss, job 2 tune, but up top boss a big artist, man.
Nah, talk about.
Yes,
We
man.
don't have time for. We don't have
we
time
just
for
want to show
talk
say you're
about.
Ray,
Listen,
you know?
we don't have time for talk about things with the Trinidad. Anything with the Trinidad, make
Still
it
not
stay at
Trinidad, Jamaica
Trinidad.
this.
Jamaica with this, so we are talking
On a
about.
carnival.
Right, we are talking
Yes,
about
on a
Jamaica
carnival,
thing. So big up TJ
yeah.
with the GLE Benz.
Big Benz
You see me?
spark up, you see me?
105,000 US in PF8. So
the
don't forgive
maths.
time with the plastic, then put
the
the
maths.
seat same way and the kids them I jump up in it. So
Do
you
the
know
maths.
TJ is a family man. So
Well,
TJ, big up yourself.
My
see
question
me.
still in Marcus. I'm more
Yeah.
yeah. Still. What do you feel about Annual Fest coming up?
Well, Unruly Fest is a good look, man.
Yeah.
It's a great look. And
a
you
great
know,
look.
can I say Popcorn, you know, put the young artist on it.
Oh, Nigeria?
Yeah, Nigeria.
Bob?
You don't know what things set up right now, man.
Bob?
And for him put the young artist on it, you know, say it's a great look.
Skill Bang the Valentino.
Yeah, Skilly Bang. Yeah, man, Skilly Bang, you don't know.
And the big man, I win.
Crocodile teeth. Yeah, I win.
Yeah,
It's a
man.
long time when I hear nothing about I
Yeah,
win, though.
I win the boat money.
And those knowing that Popcorn put I win on it, sure, you know, so it's a great look.
I might forget the rebel something to you know.
Yes.
But I remember say, yo, them man there have the lyrics, you know.
Yeah.
And the consciousness, you know.
Yeah, man, him have the lyrics, man.
And I St. Thomas. You see me?
I said, I win come, man, though?
No, but they show keep. Yeah, man, I St. Thomas show keep, man.
What,
You see
Unruly
me?
Fest?
Yeah.
No, man, London Jackie, man, London one, London
No,
Jackie.
man, I want to keep it 22nd of December. Annual Fest in St. Thomas.
So we shall keep a London.
I don't know what a London show there, brother. I don't know
Yes,
say,
them not say one of them
I say
keep a
killer
London.
there
man.
London. I don't know about Annual Festival London. I don't know
Them
about
say
that
one
one.
of
I've
them
got that guitar,
Ah, yeah, man, said that guy get
postpone or something.
postponed, yeah.
Yeah, but we don't want to keep it at December.
I St.
In St.
Thomas.
Thomas. Yeah, man, I think last time.
Come in, me say one of
If
them
it are
keep.
bigger than the big
What?
one.
Oh, Veneta Bass?
Yeah, the
No, sir.
the face. And last time Annual Fest kept me Drake and them they come through and tour and
Yeah, you don't know, say, Popcorn have the link there already, you know, so you
Yeah.
don't know, say, I want you, but.
I'm still 21 7 with a par with Popcorn and sweets, you know. Me say, alright, people want to say Popcorn or hip hop group or whatever. Me don't know.
No,
Because
you,
if
I'm
the
not
foreigner
really.
come in
No,
money, we don't know where it
listen.
go.
No,
Me
listen.
don't know where it go.
Listen. I wouldn't say Popcorn is a hip hop groupie, right? He's trying to
Bill a brand?
build a brand. And if you are building a brand, you have to, you know,
Venture what?
venture with certain celebrities.
Yeah.
You
But
understand? So when people look at you now and see you, them say, all right then, you know, and know that here's a brand. So when them are your stage show or whatever, you know, other company can call you for a show.
the street I say, oh, my groupie.
Yes, you talk people have all kind of things to say.
Because before I come in him turn tour guide. That them say.
every
One thing people.
fan, some of the fans are gonna say, most people are gonna say certain things. You know, other artists are gonna say certain things. So
But it's a good look still.
You know, it's a great look.
It's a good look.
Yeah.
So, about Skillibeng, like I'm a perform on Unruly Fest coming up in December, you see me? What do you think of Skillibeng as an artist right now? Like how in a art like one time. But me sing it
But in my tour.
My tour.
Yeah, in my tour and I mash up the whole London and them place there. You understand? So in my tour.
I'm going to big him up to, you know, him and Johnny Wonder for the crocodile.
Yeah.
Silver plaque, you see me?
Yeah, man, in my tour, and he's a good look. And him do couple music video with the young artists, him to Craft, Valiant, and them people. Yeah, so it's a good look.
Good look. My father.
Yeah, I put back some of the young artists on the map and them thing. If you know him.
Father, I got friends about 10 years now. I'm Mr. Father pass, so
I'm mash up the place.
Come
Then I'm over there, man.
I tell you, brother, crowd shake up.
I'm over there, you know.
God in the earth, isn't it?
Yeah, Sam, Mr. Psalms 21.
Can't go around that, isn't it? But differently still, you know. But now I go around that still. But I want to know who I go on for sting.
Well,
We know you know fruit that go on people.
me not think, no. Sting no stick, alright. Sting no stay like sting like one time.
You know sting.
No. You understand? No bees other than a wasp. You understand?
So what go on?
I be here. I clear my voice. Sorry, people. I be a flying bug that know, you know. Nothing na go on. No sting, no. You put the bees on the bowl, but nothing na go on feed.
Well, this is something man. Man, I'm straight for this sting too tune.
I don't like my father and Carter like first time I be the man on bounty.
But anyway, still, you know. You see me still. Through the year still. Dancehall music and a stagnant and out. You know, but overall still. We are hear some things about with Massacre. I don't know if the media twist it all like
Well,
even though Massacre drop an album soon, like maybe drop in the album.
yo.
Drop in the album and have to diss track can help if you flare up the sales, you know.
Yeah, I know that. But yeah, forgive props to Massacre, you know.
Yeah.
Like, alright, know him about this track, I'm in love. Nah, lie, you know what I mean? I see, me say One Side Entertainment release one. Me say Global Star release one. You understand? So, it's a good look.
In what way?
You understand? It help, you know. Anything when, any album when I go drop now,
Yeah.
you know, them song there, the people them are running and a view and them thing there. And see what I go on. So any album of a drop now, you know, so it's a good look.
You think so?
Yeah, man.
So if it's a Massacre album, I can buy on the first one.
Well, yes, it can be, of course. Because he's a lyrical artist.
True.
He's a good artist. Tyrant and them tune, the Lovey Look. You know, them tune, they're a big tune.
I agree.
Yeah, you understand?
But I have an idea still.
Rain, what you call it, Umbrella.
But him still not getting people what I want.
But on the thing, let me tell you something. With Massacre now. You see, it's like, him have the tune them lock, you know, lyrically, you know.
Yeah.
But him have to change a one style the way, I mean. I mean, I want flow him need to divert. He need to come out of it now. I mean, I want style where it's like most of the tune them we are here now.
Yeah.
The new tune them we are seeing
Sound like all
now.
of them.
I see it. Them are sound the same now. So you need to come out of that.
Well, most artists have a style.
And come
of
here
style,
some different thing.
yeah, venture outside the comfort zone. And,
Yeah, because at the end of the day, you know, you give the people them lyrics, yes, them are tune in.
yeah.
But you have to try
style and melody,
change
thing
your
on
style.
change.
Yeah, the people them, you understand?
Makes
Eventually down the line, by years to come, you go fade.
True.
You understand?
Well, that is
Yeah,
a
because
must in the music. It must evolve.
Yeah, you have to change out the style.
Yeah, man.
You see me, change the style, man, and come with something. Change up and different and make the people them gravitate to it. Show the people them love that one day.
February. Next year, you know, them survive Scott like go make him appeal or whatever. Adi. Boy, we don't know still. What gonna happen?
Well, tell you honest
What
truth,
gonna
I'm not lie to you still. We want to see him free. You understand? I say free world boss. World boss, straight.
Well,
So, I tell you the truth, if him come on road, a trouble.
for who?
Problem.
For who?
No artists.
Like who?
I the big up yourself. I
What happened?
have a call name. You want to know too much.
Well, one against the people, if I come on road still, big concert. Sure about that.
That is a must, man. Only part of a fly down for see. By
What will happen
starting.
if him done when they appeal?
Well, he might go stay there,
Musically.
basically. But he might go do music same here. But yeah,
Because-
he might go do
And the
music
feeder
same here, but him
Feed no.
nah go thing there. Yeah, because the young artists them,
yeah,
remember
man,
say the young
dramatically.
artists them are come out, you know.
Just to feed.
The young artists them come out. So them kind of you overshadow him then.
Yeah.
And even what they may see the police them target all him son. You
There
understand?
must be a reason still.
Target all him son if he come in
Scamming
the
and
house
thing.
and
Scamming and
all
all
kind
that.
of something and them thing there. You know, I'm seeing Bill Tuna fight since recently.
No, it's still.
No, you know it. Not it.
Like him outplayed.
All
So
play.
we think I run dancer right now. What the man that dancer right now, we can say, yo.
Boy, I
For the
hold the
moment.
part tune now. I hold the part tune, you know. Me see right now all release, you know, like me tell you have craft.
Yeah, man, about
The
EP.
tune them run behavior, that song them man like I get them. Love that song there,
It's
you know,
a
man.
TikTok song
Me say
too.
a rebel, a bubble to it, you know. A rebel, I want to say a rebel.
TikTok song that you know.
A rebel promote that tune,
Every
you know.
school, high school, what do them make dancing. You can
Yeah,
do
man.
dance.
Eh?
You can do dance.
No, listen now. Nobody go listen now. Nobody go. I got too
Yo.
far now. We not do
Let's
dance.
see a dancer.
No, we not
Alright,
dance.
not the rag still. Marcus man a dancer now, but me worse still.
Alright, so
You get me?
So,
So we say the man a dancer right now.
well, man a dance all right now.
Yeah, we have a song where
We have the hit right now
Right
that
now.
will rock the place.
yeah,
Valiant.
we sang that. The beer and salt.
Well, when I
the
say
regular.
you know, say Mona say the beer and salt. That's a regular day. Me see the regular day go on, but the beer and salt, not really. To me,
Rubber like Bob.
it should have connect more. Yeah, Nigeria.
Everywhere me go, I
Yeah,
just song me
man.
here.
Hold on. Tell us something about Nigeria now. I'm
Nigeria.
going to explain something to you. Nigeria now,
Nigeria.
Nigeria in our one style too. You understand?
For now,
Right, him need to come out of that or divert out of that one
for
style.
now, him young.
Right?
Him young.
So the people them to him young and him in that style, the people them love that style of him. No.
Yeah, we don't know what got him.
You understand?
Rubber like Bob.
So me could see what I go on for him.
Bad
But
artist.
me tell you something. You see Valiant?
Yeah, man, Valley,
Yeah, man.
Valley,
Valiant connect,
Valley,
man.
you see
Connect,
me?
man. Valiant in general.
You see me? So,
So that I'm done.
I'm to Maladan. Since I was somebody, you know, I'm say squash go on a bag of thing to you know.
Yeah, squash release from
But-
out of come
Thing
out
more
of jail.
to Marcus, big man thing.
Mm.
Squash and Labas good?
You know, so me never know about that, you know.
Because according to the media, the song that me and talk, say, oh man, I try to get him contacts and this and that. Me say, what the mature or the mature, that one of that. Say, me don't really know still now when the two the mix up thing the people. But yo, me really want to know. You get me because me not hear the Calabar go on, me not reach that
No,
one,
me not
you
in a
know?
Calabar go on. But me see Labas big him up, man. Labas big him up, you know.
Calabas loyal, you know?
Yeah, Labas big him up, man.
Yeah.
But me not hear squash up
Yeah,
big him
because
up.
me not know what go
Me
on.
always see squash pan right now. Me I watch right now most of the time. Me I watch certain thing and me always see squash pan and stage show.
No, you see, me never look at Scotch performance, to be
Me I tell you
honest.
honest truth.
Big
Me
man thing.
always see squash pan and stage show. Most of the time, you know, me I say oh now I'm getting so much views. I mean I see squash pan and stage show these days. Me I tell you
Yeah.
honest truth. But Chronic Law, I regular me see them on the past stage show.
Labas are the boss, man.
Yeah man,
One
regular.
law.
Regular me see them on the past stage show.
Yo,
All Maladan
You
me
know-
see Maladan past stage show, but Maladan can't perform.
you know what? You know, some hear a one song from what year where I love the song, I just hear it, and from hear it instantly I fall in love with it, you know.
We sang
A
that.
song named Greatness. Oh, I go on Greatness.
Oh, yeah, that
You see me?
enhance.
Yeah, man, that's
Yeah,
something,
man,
yo,
enhance. Yeah, man.
no joke thing, that's
Yeah,
something
man.
tough.
Turn the
That
bad
song is
man.
an anthem, basically.
Yes,
Because somebody every
enhance.
time I see my friend, I say, oh, I go on Greatness.
Yeah,
I'm a
yeah,
slang, you know.
yeah. Yeah, man,
You
a
get me?
big tune, man. A
Yeah.
big tune, man.
So I like when young artists come with some things
It's
there.
a Versace breast.
Yeah, I love when young artists come up with some things where, you know, we can celebrate and drink like we they are drink and vibe. See, you get me?
yeah.
So we want some more young artists where have some song where ring them with
Yeah,
it, you see me?
well, a ring tune.
Get back
well,
the
ring.
song in the dance
And
hall,
I
man, yeah?
notice when him do the tune them these days, him happy.
Yeah,
You understand? Like,
I'm
him in
talking,
a
man,
happy
you-
mood and thing, you
Yeah.
know? It's a good look that, yeah.
Good
It's a
vibes.
good, it's
So
a
big up
good
yourself,
look.
you know. Enhance, you know. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
And the Marcus, you are going with some things for it, you know. Because
Yes.
the Marcus some tough tune, you know. I feel him
Yes.
song from body, you know.
But you have a target too. Can I remember say you have one fatal to just release one tune. Me nobody has see talk
Oh, the
about
artist there.
it.
Bang Ding.
Yeah, artist said, yeah.
A good youth, man.
Billy
Bad
release one
artist.
tune him step up, you know?
Yeah?
So yeah man, it's a good tune, man. You see me? So
But check it out.
people or check out the One Fatal music video on YouTube and make sure to like and subscribe to YouTube thing. You understand?
Yeah.
And do it up. You don't
the things
know.
about there
Big
right
up
now.
One Fatal.
We want the artists to start do some performance though where sing the song that more people know.
Yeah. So
get
true.
me?
So true.
Go back to no giant boat man, you see me, and get some tune where have in the melody night. Sing along.
Yes.
Do like 450. You see me? Cause 450 have some tune where sing along, girl them tune. You get me? Want back some tune where people can really have a vibes to, you see me? Celebrate and do them look a thing.
Yeah. So true.
Too much chopping. You get me?
Too much chopping. Too much chopping.
But at the end of the day still, we're there pan drinking vibes and we want to hear what Bounty Killer go on in England. As usual, we look forward to
we look forward. Most definitely. We look forward.
In England. If we can kill up another Jill beat. One of England beat there, you see me?
Yeah.
But I want to be in England too.
Well, maybe.
Because killer say England, you know.
I must have been man follow fashion most of the time, you know, so anything is possible. Anything possible.
Being follow fashion?
Yeah, I don't know.
King of dancehall follow fashion?
Beanie man a pirate, I don't know.
King of dancehall?
Hey, if you see how we are.
Someone knows him, man. King of dancehall?
Yeah, King of dancehall, what King of dancehall? Come, let's not go there. Come, let's not go down that road.
I want King, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Sima. Album drop what and been about Beanie Man album.
Which Beanie Man album?
Sima.
I want him, sir. Beanie Man?
Oh, I'm telling you, brother, yeah, man.
Yeah, Tabo.
Marcus.
Which Sima
Beanie
you
Man
have?
drop album out here, man.
Which album
That's
Beanie
what
Man?
Beanie Man want. That's what Beanie Man want.
Hold on, man. Which album Beanie Man drop?
The Doctor, the king of the dancer, Beanie Man's album named Sima what
Our first, me and you about that.
that's why Beanie Man want Massacre and Alkaline Clash. Because Beanie Man never want them to take a hype when the album was drop.
Kaiwa, your album, what? So what I know? So Alkaline and Massacre Clash. What you want to say? Since I got drop?
Nobody know listen to Sima.
Nobody know listen to Sima. Alkaline and Massacre Clash, I want to listen to.
But the album drop still.
But me not hear nothing about
You need to stream it.
You tell me say album drop. I force me say Beanie Man have an album named Sima.
And Killer got drop in EP to my sham.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah. I remember say Tatika drop film EP to you know.
Tatika the young
Tatika song with Soldier this.
Bad artist, you know.
Yeah man, bad artist.
You see me?
I want my job.
I remember
I want 27.
27, man. This one.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, but tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Yeah, tomorrow.
27 are basically.
No, man, October 27.
Yeah.
I said tomorrow. That happen now. That happen.
On a Friday.
Friday, man. A Friday.
Book feet?
Eh?
Yeah, book feet.
Well, we're not sure
What's up with the young artists, man?
We're not sure. Maybe not. But big up to yourself, Tatik. I don't know. Yeah, huge. Maybe we say we pass through and, you know, big up the artists. Cause I don't know, say we rate the artists, you know.
And we are drinking vibes. See you.
Yeah, we are drinking vibes. I don't know.
Vibes over there?
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that, man.
You see me?
And Footer Hype make a comment what you know. Where I kind of look into it still, you know. Because Footer say, my father did think that I lead Vibes Scott in a clash. Yeah, and the whole media turn against him for that.
Jesus, it's Lord.
Whole media turn against him.
Yeah, I say.
Yeah.
When Foot Hype said that?
Last week. A week before last.
Foot Hype ever chat some food?
Foot Hype, king of media. Yeah.
He ever chat some, he ever come with some something. He ever come with something.
Say him to my father star.
Eh?
Say him to my father star too.
Eh?
Yeah, I'm a real side, my father big and my father good.
Oh, I want a star.
I mean, Foot Hype a star, man.
Foot Hype a star?
Yeah, man. Foot Hype a star, man.
My bad people, my bad man.
Foot Hype a star, man.
Foot Hype a star?
One year.
Wow, media star.
Yeah, man. Viral thing, man.
Come pass social media, come chat. Be sitting
there. And Cargo search a hit song right now. No? Cargo one hit song.
Jesus God Almighty. Cargo, he need to come off of social media and write a good tune. Write a good tune for people. Then.
Say I bring back Rhino the dancehall.
Eh?
People don't believe him.
Big a who?
Rhino.
Which Rhino?
Black Rhino.
Black Rhino? No, sir.
My miracle, him say.
I must say, man, no guys are science, man. So, Rhino miracle.
Right now, dancehall, depend on a level. I want some clash. Or some hit song.
You want some hit song, no clash.
Yeah, man, clash alright.
You want some hit song for say, then some big wigs come down and say, then sign some label like how TJ get signed To.
Warner brother.
Right. And how Massacre get signed to.
Def Jam.
Right.
And I got album.
Right.
But when the album I had.
And how Popcorn get signed to.
OVO sound, but a long time that.
Yeah.
And Drake give him one feature.
Yeah. So, I don't know
And say my biggest thing in Jamaica.
Oh.
Papi say my biggest thing in Jamaica.
Papi? Yeah, he might one off. Not the biggest
Bad
thing in
artist still
Jamaica.
rate Popcorn still
No,
the bad
Popcorn
artist.
can't be the biggest thing in Jamaica.
But
Yeah, my bad artist.
nobody big and Bounty Kill and Vibes Cartel. I'm a father.
Well,
When it comes to present dancehall, current dancehall,
yeah, current dancer.
over the last 10 to 20 years, or 15 years, I put it. Yeah, man, all kind too. Big
Yeah,
man them.
them up in our thing, them big in our thing.
But we always drink and we always a vibe.
Always.
You see me? So people remember to subscribe to the channel as usual. And I went number one.
And leave a comment and tell you what you think.
Yeah.
And like the video.
And I went number one podcast out there now.
And share it.
To everybody.
Don't tear it.
To everybody. Make sure
Right.
the content run up.
That's it.
And then again, I have a next thing I want to know to people. Coming December, we have a promotion going from November straight into December. We don't like, share, and subscribe.
Talk the truth.
I'm going to ask a question. We don't answer the question. Also, answer the question. We're going to give you a t-shirt, drink and white t-shirt, a hat, and have a choice to choose between a Crater, whatever they can want, whether a Crater Guinness, Crater Magnum, a Crater Heineken, Crater beer, or a Top Chef liquor.
Yeah.
NSC or Bel-Air. Food no choice, people.
Where's
You can't answer the
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air?
Yeah, you can't answer the question still, isn't it? For the fans.
No, we know about
promotion coming up. On the
Yeah,
lookout
man.
for
We
it,
know
you
the
know.
fans, them, you know, so we have to
Yeah.
look out for them at all times. So,
We are number one in idea. I mean, I go on that
big up,
still,
big
isn't
up
it?
to all our fans, them. So,
Yeah.
Tune in
Big
and
up to
watch.
Drink and Vice fans. I remember, you know, the logo. We're getting a shirt, you know.
Yes.
On the hat, you know. Just tune in. Remember, say, want to know, subscribe, and I'll get the latest information. You know, I drink and vibes, and we drink responsible. Drink every moment with our vibe. You know it, though.
And don't drink and drive.
I'm telling you.
Always stay alive.
Yeah. You know it, go people.